In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from your Google Calendar. This can be quite handy if you're managing a shared calendar and need to update who has access to it. Whether you're removing someone from a business schedule or a personal calendar, it's a straightforward process and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's head over to the Google Workspace page. This is essentially the gateway to all Google productivity tools like Gmail, Drive, and of course, Calendar. Once you're on the page, glance around and locate the Products section. This is where you'll find a list of all the applications and services Google offers within Workspace. Alright, now click on the Products section. Look for Google Calendar. It should be right up there alongside Google Docs, Sheets, and more. Click on Calendar to open it. Once you've successfully opened Google Calendar, you'll have a view of all your scheduled events and meetings. With the calendar open, you need to navigate over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find a list of your calendars. Hover your mouse over your calendar, the one from which you want to remove someone, and you should see three little dots appear. These dots are essentially additional settings and options for your calendar. Go ahead and press those three dots. In the drop-down menu that pops up, you'll want to select Settings and Sharing. This option will open up the settings specifically for your chosen calendar, including things like notifications, permissions, and sharing options. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll come across a list that shows who currently has access to your calendar. Here you can easily adjust permissions, adding new people, or removing existing ones. To remove someone, simply look for their name in the list. Beside their name, you'll see an X mark. Click on it to remove that person from your calendar's shared list. It's important to double check whom you're removing, just to make sure you don't inadvertently remove the wrong person. And that's it, you've successfully removed someone from your Google Calendar. This process will immediately update their access, ensuring they no longer have visibility or editing capabilities over your calendar. Remember, you can always re-add someone if necessary, so feel free to make adjustments as your scheduling needs change. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process a little less daunting. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Google Workspace experience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.